Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ankit and today I am going to teach you German language and the tense is future tense. Okay? So let's start. See, future tense have two main rules. The two main forms in German. German also has different ways to referring or to future events. The easiest and the common way is to use the present tense. Heute Abend bleibe ich zu Hause. This evening I am staying at home. So the first thing is that like we have the like date times, it's evening, Sunday, Monday, there are some special greetings so which we can use for the future tense. So we don't need the form of Verdun then. So directly we can say like this evening I am staying at home. So heute Abend bleibe ich zu Hause. And the second one is the optional. The second one is Verdun plus infinitive form. So the pattern is firstly subject, then the conjugated Verdun form plus object and then infinitive form. Like am Wochenende werde ich auf eine Party gehen. At the weekend I will go to a party. So here we have the at the weekend because it's a we can say it's a chunk. So we just use a chunk here. Firstly the chunk, then subject, then Verdun form, then your object, and then the last verb in the infinitive form. It is non-conjugated. Okay. Expressions indicating the future. There are quite a few words which give clear indications of a time in the future. So here are some examples. Bald, soon, später, later, morgen, tomorrow, in Minuten, in 10 minutes, in einer Woche, in a week, heute Abend, tonight, nächsten Monat, next month. Okay, these are the some examples. So, ich bin bald fertig. Wir kommen später. Hat morgen eine Prüfung. Sie können es in Minuten abholen. In einer Woche sind wir in Italien. Heute Abend gibt es nicht im Fernsehen. Habt ihr nächsten Monat Zeit? So the English of these sentences are: I will be ready soon. Well, we will come later. He is got an exam tomorrow. You can collect it in 10 minutes. In a week's time. We will be in Italy. There is nothing on television tonight. Will you be free next month? Okay, these are the some examples which you have to learn, and it's very important. Now I'm going to teach you the Verdun form, the conjugation form of Verdun. Ich würde, du wirst, sie würden, sie es wird, ihr würdet, sie würden, sie würden. Using Verdun form. Using Verdun plus infinitive. It's like subject plus Verdun plus object plus second verb at the last in the infinitive form. So it's like you have to use like subject, ich, du, sie, as you want. So like I take sie wird, then your object form, the sentence, nouns and etc adjectives you want to take. Then at the last take the second verb like gehen the verb you want to take, and the verb in the line at the last, but in the infinitive form. You don't have to conjugate that. This is the rule of Verdun, using Verdun plus infinitive. Okay, remember, subject plus Verdun or conjugated plus object plus second verb at the last in the infinitive form. Now some examples. Ich werde dich anrufen. I will call you. Wirst du zu Hause sein? Will you be at home? Wird die ganze Woche lang arbeiten. He will be working late all week. Der Film wird in Europa rauskommen. The film will be released in Europe. Sie werden im August umziehen. They will move house in August. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.